Hello, I wanted to share my weight loss progress with you and let you know my secret. After so many failures, I finally found something that actually works for real people. I have to share an amazing weight loss program with you. I've done so many diets without success, so I searched forever for a program that required zero dieting and zero workouts. I finally found the Red Smoothie Detox Factor, an amazing ebook written by Liz Swan. She's an Amazon bestseller. I was instantly on board with the innovative techniques and found myself shedding pounds fast. I lost nearly 40 pounds in a very little amount of time. I really can't recommend the Red Smoothie Detox Factor enough. There's even a guaranteed refund after 60 days of purchase. Click on the link below and start shedding pounds today. Thanks for watching. Good luck!